Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is metallurgy. What is the meaning for metallurgy? The complete extraction of pure metals from their ores. This name is called metallurgy. Regarding 10th, there are 3 metals going to be extracted. First one is aluminium, iron, copper. Ores. Another one is a period number. Another one is a group number. Another one is a electronic configuration. Another one is a balancing. First one is aluminium. Major ore Al2O3 top 2 times of water. Iron. Major ore Fe2O3. Copper. Major ore CuFeS2. Next period number. So third period, fourth period is a fourth period. Group number 13. 13. This atomic number is what? 13. Atomic number 26. Atomic number 29. 2 plus 6. Group number 8. 2 plus 9. Group number 11. Electronic configuration. Neon 3s2 3p1. This one argon 3d6 4s2. This one copper argon 3d10 4s1. Valency 3. Here iron valency 2 and 3. Copper valency 1 and 2. What is the meaning for metallurgy going to be discussed? First, how to draw the flow chart. Ores converted into partly concentrated ores by using the concentration. Another one converted into concentrated ores by using the leaching. Another one converted into impure ores by using roasting, calcination, reduction, and any other methods. Finally, obtain pure metals by using electrolytic refining. Ores converted into partly concentrated ores by using the concentration. What is the meaning for concentration? Removal of gangue. Partly concentrated ores converted into concentrated ores by using the leaching. What is the meaning for leaching? Removal of other minerals. Concentrated ores converted into impure ore by using the roasting, calcination, reduction, smelting, electrochemical process or electroprocess or some other methods. Impure ore converted into pure metals by using the electrolytic refining or zone refining or some other method. First one is concentration. Concentrations are, there are several methods. First one is gravity separation. Or hydraulic washing. What is the meaning for gravity separation? This method is used to concentration of oxide and carbonate ores. For example, powdered ore feed into stream of running water. These are classified into lighter impurities are washed away, heavier ore particles are left behind. This method known as gravity separation. This method based on separation of specific gravities of ore particles and impurities. Another method, electromagnetic separation. This method is used for concentration of hematite and chromides. What is the meaning for hematite? Hematite is ores of iron. Chromite is ores of chromium. Then magnetic ores pass over magnetic roller. By using, we can separate so ore particles. Another one is non-magnetic particles. Non-magnetic particle nothing but ore particles. Magnetic particles nothing but impurities. This method, what method? Electromagnetic separation method. Another method, the Froth flotation process. What is the uses of Froth flotation? It is used to concentration of sulfide ores. For example, powdered ore treated with water plus treated with the collector name pinoil or sodium ethyl jambate plus Froth stabilizer. This one example for aniline. This all are ordered finally formed by the froth by using blowing air. This froth can be classified into two types. Ore particles carried on surface by foam. Heavier impurities sink to bottom. This known as froth flotation process. Froth flotation process, it is used to concentration of sulfide ores. Best example, zinc sulfide. Leaching, another name, chemical method. This method used for powdered ore treated with suitable reducing agent. These can be classified into two types. Ores are get dissolved. This can be obtained by the chemical method. Another one is impurities. Can be removed by filtration. This method known as leaching. Leaching, another method called as a chemical method. Another one is a roasting. What is the meaning for roasting? Sulfide ores treated with regular supply of air to formation of oxides or sulfates. Best example, zinc sulfide undergo treated with oxygen, heated to formation of zinc oxide and the SO2. Sulfur, one sulfur, oxygen is 2, here are 2 times, here are 2 times, 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen totally. Sulfide ore converted into oxide or sulfate. Another one is calcination. Here carbonates or hydroxide or hydrates are treated with limited supply of air. Or absence of air to formation of oxide. For example, calcium carbonate. This is a carbonate ore heated to formation of calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium, 1 calcium, 1 carbon, here 3 oxygen, here 2 plus 1, so 3 oxygen. Next, reduction. Reduction, another name, smelting or pyrometallurgy. What is the meaning for this one? Reduction of metallic oxide by using the suitable reducing agent on heating to form molten metal or crude. For example, Fe2O3 treated with the carbon monoxide, temperature 400 degrees Celsius, to formation of iron plus carbon dioxide. Here 2 iron, 2 iron. Here is what carbon dioxide 3 times. 3 here 3 oxygen, here 3 oxygen. 3 plus into 2 is a 6 oxygen. This equation should be balanced. This method reduction. What is the mean by reduction? Reduction of metallic oxide by using the suitable reducing agent to formation of molten metal or crude. Next, refining of crude. First one is distillation. Another one is electrolysis. Another one is liquefaction. Another one is zone refining. Another one is vapor phase refining. Another one is chromatography. These are the method refining of crude metal. First one is distillation. This method used for distillation of volatile metals. For examples, zinc, cadmium, mercury, etc. Another one is electrolysis. Electrolysis, there are different methods. First one is anode. Anode made up of impure metal. Cathode. Cathode made up of pure metal. Electrolyte. Aqueous solution of salt. Another method on passing current. On passing current, pure metal get deposited at the cathode. That is a transfer of pure metal from anode to cathode. This process is known as electrolysis or electrolytic refining. Another one is liquefaction. This method is used for purification of SN, Pi, mercury, etc. These are impure metals made into flow on the sloping surface from which we can separate the heavier melting impurities. Another one is zone refining. This method is used for purification of silicon, germanium, boron. These are used as a semiconductor. What are the uses for this method? Impure metal can be melted in molten state, then convert to the pure metal. Another one is vapor phase refining. For example, impure metal treated with carbon monoxide, temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, to formation of volatile compound. Next, treated with 800 degrees Celsius to formation of nickel plus carbon monoxide as a gas. This one is a impure metal. This one is a pure metal. What is the uses for this method? This method is used to purification of nickel, zirconium, and titanium. One more question may be asked. Which are the following used as here? Vapor phase refining. First one is a nickel, another one is a mercury, another one is a copper, another one is aluminum. This what is the answer? Nickel. Another one is a chromatography. What is the uses for this method? This method is used to differentiate or different component present in the mixer can be adsorbed on the adsorbent. For example, lanthanides can be purified by ion exchanger or act as a adsorbent. These are the method for refining of crude metal. First, ores converted into partly concentrated ore, partly concentrated ore converted into concentrated ore. Another one, concentrated ore converted into impure ores. Another one, impure ores converted into pure metal. These are the flowchart for the metallurgy. For example, there are three metals can be extracted. First one is copper. Ores of copper. Copper pyrite, cuprite, copper glans. This is a formula CuFeS2. This one formula Cu2O. This one formula Cu2S. First heading, concentration. Major ore is copper pyrite. Copper pyrite is a sulfide ore. Sulfide ore concentrated by froth flotation process. Another one is roasting. What is the meaning for roasting? Sulfide ore, that is a sulfide ores, treated with regular supply of air to form oxide in order to remove the impurities like sulfur, phosphorus, arsenic, etc. So heated to formation of Cu2S plus FeS plus SO2. Copper pyrite partly oxidized by using the roasting process, converted into matte. This taken into the smelting process. What is the meaning for smelting? Smelting, another name reduction, another name pyrometallurgy. So reduction of metallic oxide converted into metal by using the suitable reducing agent. For example, Cu2S plus FeS treated with powdered coke plus sand. These are heated 800 degrees Celsius to formation of oxides. That is a molten state. This molten matte is taken into the piscinization process. Molten matte is transferred to the piscina converter. Here, these are the substance heated to form the blister copper. For example, FeS oxidized to form FeO plus SO2. Balance equation: Fe sulfur oxygen orbital balance. So 2 times. Sulfur is 2 sulfur, oxygen is 3. Next, FeO treated with SiO2 to formation of FeSiO3. This formed as a slag. This one formed as a GaN. This one formed as a flux. What is the meaning for GaN? Impurities like sand, clay, rock associated with the ores. What is the meaning for flux? Flux is the additional substance during the reduction in order to remove the impurities. This one is a slag. Slag formed from is a GaN and flux. This process. Another one Cu2s undergo oxidize, sulfur oxygen 2, so 2 times sulfur 2 times oxygen 2 4 etc. Further is a Cu2O react with the excess of Cu2s to formation of Cu formed as a blister copper plus SO2. Blister copper contains 98% of pure copper. So balance equation here 4 1 sulfur is not balanced. Is a 4 5 6 is a 6 1 sulfur 2 oxygen. These are blister copper formed as a 98% of pure copper plus 2% of impurities. Impurity can be removed by electrolytic refining. There are different methods. Anode, impure metal, impure copper. Cathode, pure copper, electrolyte. Copper sulfate plus dilute sulfuric acid and passing current, pure copper get deposited at cathode. This process known as extraction of copper. First is extraction of copper from the major ore copper pyrite, formula CuFeS2. What are the ores of copper? CuFeS2, Cu2O, Cu2s. First method is a concentration, another method is a roasting, another method is a smelting, another method is a desmerization, another method is electrolytic refining. Similarly, how to extract it from aluminium? Aluminium can be extracted from oxide. Another one. Iron can be extracted from Fe2O3. Hematite. This are the method. What is the color of copper? Copper color is reddish brown metal. Aluminium color is silvery white metal. Iron color is a greyish white metal. Copper valency 1 and 2, aluminium valency 3, iron valency 2 and 3. By using this one, how to explain the chemical properties. Whatever may be any chemical properties, some of the important points are metal treated with dilute acid to formation of salt plus liberation of hydrogen gas. Metal treated with dilute nitric acid, salt plus N2O, NO or ammonium nitrate plus water. Metal plus concentrated nitric acid, salt plus concentrated nitric acid produce NO2 plus water. Next, metal react with the H2SO4 concentrated to formation of salt plus concentrated acid will give SO2 plus water. These are the important method. Constant sulfuric acid produce SO2 gas, constant nitric acid produce NO2 gas, dilute nitric acid produce N2O, NO, ammonium nitrate. This question may be asked 1 mark. For example, whatever may be any metal react with the constant sulfuric acid produce what gas? Option 1 NO2, option 2 N2O, option 3 SO2, option 4 ammonium nitrate. Answer is SO2. First chemical property, action of copper. What is the valency of copper? Copper valency 1 and 2. This react with the moisture air. When passed with the carbon dioxide to formation of green layer of basic copper carbonates are formed. This name is called malachite. How many copper? 2 copper. So 2 times hydrogen. Another one, oxygen of air. Here we have to the copper at 2 different temperatures to form 2 different products. Copper react with oxygen less than 1370 Kelvin to formation of CuO. Copper react with oxygen greater than 1370 Kelvin to formation of Cu2O. This color is black. This color is red. What's the name? First, how to find out the oxidation state of these 2 compounds? Maybe ask the 1 mark. Yes, sir. X oxygen state minus 2 equal to 0. What is the method? Summation of oxidation state of all atoms should be equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. Here 2 copper minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. Highest valence of cupric, this name is called cupric oxide. Lowest valence of cuprous, this name is called cuprous oxide. So copper react with oxygen at 2 different temperatures to form the 2 different products. Suppose copper react with oxygen above 1370 Kelvin. What is the product? This is the question. What is the product? C2O or Cu? This is C2O. What is the color? Red color. This is known as oxygen of air. Another one is oxygen of dilute acid. Copper react with the HCl. Here, copper is a weak reducing agent, cannot displace the hydrogen from hydrochloric acid, but react in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen obtained from air. To formation of copper valency 1 and 2 plus 2 is a more stable. To formation of CeCl2 plus water. This is the equation. How to balance the equation? What is the balance equation? Reactant and the products should be equal. Copper, 1 copper, here 2 chlorine. This is 2. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, but here 2 oxygen. So 2 times, now is a 4 hydrogen. So hydrogen is a 4. Chlorine is a 2. Is a likewise, dilute sulfuric acid. But dilute nitric acid react differently. Copper react with nitric acid diluted. Here, metal react with the diluted nitric acid produce salt plus N2O or NO ammonium nitrate. Here, copper will give NO. First salt. This name copper nitrate, this name copper chloride or cupric chloride or cupric nitrate. How to form this one? How to split? H plus minus. Copper valency 2. So cross multiplication. CuNO3 twice NO plus water. This is a balancing equation. Now balancing equation. How many oxygen? 6. 7, 8. How to write? 8. How many hydrogen? 8 hydrogen. Here is 4 hydrogen. Next, how many nitrogen? 8 nitrogen. Here 2. How to write? 3 is 2 into 3, 6. Here 2. Copper is 3. How many oxygen? 24 oxygen. Here 6, 18, 2, 4 is 24 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. Likewise, another one, oxygen of concentrated acid. Copper react with nitric acid, that is a concentrated. Metal react with concentrated nitric acid, what is the formula? Salt plus NO2 plus water. So copper valency plus 2, nitrate minus 1. So cross multiplication is a twice plus NO2 plus water. Here how many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen. Here is what? 1 nitrogen. Total 3 nitrogen. Odd number not at a balance. So even number, next even number 4. Here is a 2. Hydrogen is a, oxygen is a 12, 6, 10 is a 2. Copper 1 copper. This is another one is a copper react with the H2SO4 concentrator. Concentrated sulfuric acid react with the water, maybe any metals. Metal react with the concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the formula? Salt plus SO2 plus water. CuSO4 plus SO2 plus water. How to split? Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. Copper valency plus 2, sulfate valency minus 2. Here how many sulfur? 2 sulfur. How to write? 2 times. How many hydrogen? Is a 2. Copper. How many oxygen? 8. Here 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. This is a balancing equation. Another one is oxygen of chlorine. So copper react with the chlorine, copper valency plus 2. This one is a heater to formation of cupric chloride. Copper react with chlorine to formation of copper 2 chloride or cupric chloride. These are the chemical properties. What is the first chemical property? Oxygen of carbon. Second chemical property is of oxygen of dilute acid. Third chemical property, oxygen of concentrated acid. Next property, oxygen of chloride. Here, oxygen of alkali. Copper, silver, gold does not react with the alkali. Aluminium does not react with the dilute or concentrated nitric acid. Why? Because oxide layer formed on the surface. Iron does not react with the concentrated nitric acid because is a iron oxide formed on the surface of iron prevent to react with the concentrated nitric acid. Next, discuss about chemical properties of aluminium.